What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of August 29, 2025. My name is Mason. I'm the inventory specialist.
And I'm Justin. I'm a photographer and product editor.
So without further ado, let's get started.
To start out, we have some deals on Paisley Punch from Wilmington. We have a whole bunch of things on sale for this collection. First off, we have the tote bag kits. These are originally priced at $42.96, but we have them on sale for $24.96. We have the pillowcase kit, which is originally $19.96, on sale for $14.96. Plus, we have a whole bunch of 1 yard cuts that are on sale for $9.96 a piece. So make sure you go pick those up. We have patterns of repeating stripes, paisleys, daisies, and plaids, and very beautiful and cute colors of blue, pink, yellow, and cream. So make sure to punch up your stash with Paisley Punch from Wilmington before they bloom away.
Next collection we're going to talk about is Harvest Blooms from Wilmington. This is featuring a tote bag kit, the plaid sachet quilt kits, the 5-inch squares, as well as the full collection of yardage. The patterns for this collection are repeating stripes, florals, dots, watercolor textures, and stripes in colors of red, green, orange, and cream. So very, very fall-esque collection here. So if this looks good to you, make sure to add a rustic look for your autumn projects with Harvest Blooms from Wilmington.
Next, of course, we have another installment of the palette series from Free Spirit. This is the Tim Holtz Eclectic Elements Palette Purple. This is featuring the Purple Haze Quilt Kit, the Fat Quarter Bundle, as well as the full collection of yardage. We've got very detailed prints of collages, stamps, tickets, maps, florals, tiny prints, and marble textures and colors of course, purple. So make sure to achieve grapeness with palette purple. See what I did there?
I see what you did there. Next collection we have is another one from Wilmington. This is the Sweet Cherry collection. This is featuring apron panels, placemat panels, fat quarter bundles, as well as some assorted yardage. The patterns for this collection are cherries, cupcakes, pies, florals, and gingham in colors of red, white, and blue. Make sure to add a touch of sweetness to your kitchen with Sweet Cherry from Wilmington.
So apparently this is the Wilmington episode of Friday Fabric Finds, because next we have Woodland Snowmen from Wilmington, featuring the tote bag kits, the panel quilt kits, the Woodland Snowmen quilt kit, 5-inch squares, 10-inch squares, the 24-inch panel, as well, of course, as the full collection of yardage. We've got patterns of repeating stripes, snowmen, woodland critters, and snowflakes, and very Christmassy or winter colors of red, green, and cream. So make sure to bundle up with Woodland Snowmen.
So like Justin just said, this is very much a Wilmington episode. So we have another collection. This is the Sunkissed collection. This is featuring the zigzag table runner kits, a 5-inch squares, assorted yardage, as well as a 24-inch panel. The patterns for this collection are sunflowers, repeating stripes, bees, and honeycomb motifs in colors of yellow, blue, green, and cream. So if you like the look of this collection, make your quilts radiate with warmth using Sunkissed from Wilmington.
Sunkissed, kiss the sun.
Is that their like slogan thing?
No.
What's that from?
I don't know.
I thought that was like from a brand or something. I was thinking like Sunkissed, like the soda.
No. Next, we have two new 108-inch wide backing collections. The first one is a 108-inch Colorworks from Northcott, and then the other one is 108-inch Snowburst from Studio E. So we got two different manufacturers with this. These are perfect for either everyday or winter quilts. They are going to be priced anywhere from $22.96 to $23.96 per yard. The patterns for these collections are solids as well as snowflakes in colors of cream, black, blue, red, teal, and silver. So make finishing projects a breeze using these new 108-inch wide backings.
Next thing we're going to talk about is a hot pre-order that we want to let y'all know about. This is the Cake Walk Quilt Kit. This is featuring Moda's Pick Me collection. This is scheduled to ship in November, December of this year, and it is priced at $119.96 each. So make pre-ordering this kit a cakewalk before they're all eaten up.
Of course, we got to talk about them. This is our 1 yard cuts. These are at $9.96 each, and we are adding new prints all of the time, almost every day. But make sure you're checking back often because they fly off our shelves like hotcakes. They go so fast. These are pre-cut, full of personality, and ready to grab. There is no cutting table required for either us or you, so we can get it very quickly out the door. Multiples will not be continuous, but each one is a little gem on its own. So if you get 3 1-yard cuts, they are going to be 3 individual 1-yard cuts. They are not going to be 1 3-yard cut. So make sure to buzz on over to our website to check out these 1-yard cuts.
Next, we're going to talk about our comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's show. And this one we have is from Roxanne Baxter, 1568. And she says, I always look forward to Friday mornings when I can see you present your very lovely fabric selections. How often do you have those special days when customers can come into your store and shop? Who gets to come in? Thank you for bringing cheer to my home on Fridays. Well, Roxanne, first of all, we want to say thank you so much for watching. We very, very much appreciate it, and for leaving a comment. With the VIP events that you're talking about, we do them about every season of the year. A lot of times it can be like every other month, or it could be maybe 2 months in between that we have them. But our next VIP event is actually September 24th, and we still do have tickets available for that event. So if you are local to the area, or if you want to travel, you can definitely go onto our website and get yourself a ticket for you, some friends, whatever. All you have to do again is purchase a ticket. The links are down in the description for those. But yeah, those are our big events that we like to do. We have a bunch of people show up every single time. We have raffle baskets. We have food for y'all just to have for free. Like, it comes with the purchase of your ticket. You get to go around and shop inside the store, which nobody ever gets to do except for those events. You get to talk to us and hang out and whatnot, and it's a great time. We love doing them. Again, just go onto our website and get yourself a ticket.
Thank you guys so much for watching. As always, if you enjoyed, please leave a like, make sure to subscribe, and make sure to ring that bell so you get notified when we drop an upload. Also, make sure to leave a comment. We might pick you for comment of the week, who knows. Also, make sure to follow all of our social media links. Those will be down in the description below. And with all that being said, we'll see you next week. Have a good day.